Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after this window appears you just have to hold your finger on power off, and then when you see this reboot to safe mode option, just tap OK and your device will be rebooted in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof for that we are now in the safe mode. If you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.